Today we're going to be talking about the servo roll feed. Now, just like all the other videos, I don't want to miss the fact that there's a historical element to this. We started the modern day stamping in about the late 1800s, 1870s or so. It was a manufacturer in Germany that was making bicycles, and he discovered that if he made parts in a stamping process, which essentially is the technology of the days of old, the blacksmith hammering something onto a mold, right? And so he ran with it. By the early 1900s, they were making cars and everything that you see with sheet metal today in that technology. So that's how it started. And as it progressed, they discovered that feeding this press, this mechanism to stamp these parts, was most effective if they did it off of coil. And how things started out would be either with a gripper feed, an air feed, which are kind of the same, a mechanical roll feed, which is more so a fixed position, and then you could change this distance with gears, which was very cumbersome. And fast forward to 1982, Coil launched its servo roll feed. Now, it had been in the marketplace, but we were the first ones to do a Kevlar timing belt to have the accuracy so the belt does not stretch, and the durability from that belt, and to hit what we have now, which is a plus or minus 3 thou in accuracy. So that's what we're talking about, that's what's on your floor, and that's what we're going to be going through in these next sequential videos.